Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Thursday, September 2nd, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Teachers should all have a working attendance page in your homeroom course of Schoology. Please try to submit your attendance in Schoology. If there are students that are not listed on that roster, please keep documentation of their attendance. Today's late duty is Miss Langford. Important dates: September 3rd is our Vector training certificates are due to Nurse Eaton. That's our online health training. September 6th is Labor Day. We have no school. Diagnostic schedule. This week for our lower grades, we are finishing up Math iReady. And for, I think, all the grades, we are doing our HMH growth measure. So if you have time in your schedule to work on that growth measure, today would be a great day to do it, or work in then tomorrow as well. Most of your students should now have login credentials. Please make sure that you have students complete the iReady diagnostics this week. Again, if you do not have login credentials, let me know. We still have a small population of students that we do not have those available for yet, but most of our students do have credentials at this point. The word of the day is base 10 numeral form. So this is a common way of writing a number using digits. The value of the numeral depends on where it appears in the number. It's also known as standard form. Okay, so the 3 is highlighted in red. 3 is in the hundreds place, so that means it has a value of 3 hundredths or 300. Okay, depending on where the number lives, which spot it lives in, then that determines what its value is going to be. That's all for today's news. Have a thankful Thursday, Kate Shepherd.